Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I have two models of Makita Impact Range 18 volt. This model DTW285 is a little bit old, I use it long time. And I have the new model DTW300. This model replaced this model. It's new. I already made the video unbox it. You can check in my channel. Today I will disassembly and show you the router. I think maybe it's different. So let's start and see it. Yes, I use Impact driver 40 volt Max, the new model TD001G. So loosening two screw. Okay. And one more. This is the sticker I note my tool. You can see it different fan. So I take it out. This is router of DTW300. Put it here. And this is the starter. Yeah, different on shaft. This one is round and this one not round. Fan also different. And the maximum torque. This model. Oh. Yeah, the router and the motor. This model, the maximum torque 280. And this model, the maximum torque 300 Newton meter. So I put it back. When you take it out, please protect from magnet with other steel. It can burn it when you put it back and start using it. Okay, fit. Okay. Oh, this one is wrong. This one is correct. Okay. One is finished. One more. Okay, fit. Okay. So I put the battery and test it. I have only one battery. I test one by one. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please comment below if you want me to disassembly any model or want to see testing any model. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.